to a new video. Finally, we take the R33 out again, hit some boost, the best antidepressant there is. So if you guys are feeling shit about yourself, don't worry, listen to the boost clips. I tell you what, driving this R33 makes me feel so much better, man. But the sad thing is, I don't get to drive this R33 as much as I used to. Traffic is just chaotic. Cyclists are everywhere. This town has the worst roads to drive on. And it's really unfortunate, man. Like, I love driving this R33. I wish I get to drive it every day, but being around bad drivers, I can't risk this car getting hit into by a crappy driver. As you guys have seen from Dashcams Australia, this country is filled with the worst drivers ever. There's so many road signs, lights, and yet they still crash. And I'm pretty sure you guys have experienced it as well. Like, have you ever gone onto the freeway and you see someone trying to merge, but yet they're on the brake causing traffic jam because they don't know how to merge? I don't know how people get their licenses in this country, but seriously, the driving courses need to be a lot more extreme. If you don't know how to drive on the roads, you shouldn't have a license. And there's no way Vic Roads is like acting like Oprah Winfrey. You get a license, you get a license. And seriously, that's honestly the case, to be honest, man. The amount of shit drivers I see on these roads, it's just so mind-baffling to how you even pass the driving test, man. But enough of that negativity talk, man. Let's go hit some boost in the R33 because I miss driving this car so much, man. I know I already said that, but this car is like my other half. This other car like takes me into a world that I can just don't even think about negative things. I just drive and just be happy hitting boost in my built RB25. When you build a car, it's just so much more rewarding when you're out driving. Shit, man, I'm feeling pretty content just sitting right here along with the trees, listening to the bats. So if you guys can hear all that noise in the background, those are actually bats. See? You hear them? That's just so peaceful, man. Hey, there's a bat actually sleeping right there. I'll show you. Might have to use the zoom on the editing program. But in the tree right there, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bats. Do you know what? Quickly, I'm going to show you guys all the bats. But enough of that bat talk. Let's go hit some boost. If you guys don't know, make sure to check out my RB25 build. If you guys want to build your RB25, check all my old videos. I get tons of questions asking what parts I use, how much it costs. I've literally made a bunch of videos on this stuff, and I'm not going to make the same videos twice. So make sure to go through the list of my videos and find out how much it costs to rebuild an RB25 and how to make it awesome. Seriously, with this RB25, I absolutely love this thing. I don't think there's any more reason to push any more power. Like, I'm so happy with the power, the torque, the sound of this car. There's nothing else I could really think of to do engine-wise. And to be honest, I feel like I'm running out of ideas to do stuff to the R33. Like, I've pretty much done everything I essentially need for this R33, and that's pretty sad. That means I need another project to work on, yeah? So hit that subscribe button if you're a new viewer, so that way when we get more subscribers, I get myself another car. Can I get a zinger box, and instead of the potato and gravy, can I upgrade the chips and solo for a drink?
That's it, anything else?
That's it, thank you.
Please.
Hell yeah. The reason why I filmed that, boys, if you don't know, when you go to KFC and get yourself a zinger box, if you guys don't want that potato and gravy, you can get rid of it and upgrade the chips to a large without an extra cost. And also get solo, man. Best combo with the zinger box, man. Nothing like a mad feed after hitting boost, man. That hit the spot. And I just wanted to tell you guys something as well. Like, the reason why I titled the video that, because in a lot of videos I do say when I hit boost in this R33, I always say it's the best antidepressant there is. And honestly, man, when you hit boost, you got a clear road, out cruising for a little while, it just fixes you, man. Like, when you have some issues going on in your life, you're really stressed out, the best advice I can give you guys, get in your car, find a nice spot, hit some boost, go for a mad cruise, letting it all go, man. You're focusing on the road, listening to your car, feeling the force of the power that your build's got, and it's one of the best feelings in the world. And it just really sucks that we don't get to do it as often as we should. And as I was saying earlier, what Luke Fink has in Queensland with Archfield, I want to do something like that in Melbourne, or maybe just on the outskirts of Melbourne, because I know a lot of Karens will complain about the noise. So I want to find a nice spot. It doesn't have to be a big track, just a decent sized drift course, so I can let you guys drift there every day. And then if you guys want to do major events, you can, because at least you get practice in. I just want to be able to run a track where you guys can actually go there, do skids, practice drifting, and have fun with your mates. So that's like one of my major goals, is to have a track like that, so you guys can actually enjoy your cars. Because trust me, I worked on the road. Like, I did nearly 1,000 kilometers a week. I know how congested these roads are. I know how crap the drivers are out there. And you can't even own nice cars on the road anymore. Like, a mate of mine had his S14 rear-ended by some crappy driver. So my mate was just sitting at the red light, and all of a sudden someone just rammed up his ass. And like, it's such bullshit, man. Like, people shouldn't have to be going through that, man. Everyone should know how to use their brakes, man. It's literally right there next to the accelerator. I don't know how people are so stupid. And another thing, my old man, he was at the red light, and he's got this motorbike. I don't know too much about those racing bikes, but I know that there was only 3,000 made, and he was just sitting there at the red light, and some guy in some shitty little Toyota Corolla just rear-ended him. My dad's okay, but the bike got ridden off. And what I'm trying to say with that, you can't even own nice things anymore because people just don't know how to drive. And I'm sick and tired of people like me or you guys that actually know your car better than anyone else, know the mods you've got, know how to handle your car. We get treated like we're the bad drivers, when if you go on Dashcams Australia, there is an endless amount of videos of the majority of bad drivers in Australia. Kind of got a little carried away there. So what I'm trying to say is, get in your car, find a nice road, and just go hit boost. And if you're still working your project, a lot of people always tell me, oh, I got to do this and this. I'm like, to be honest, man, like, if I had all the tools, parts, the workspace, I could do an engine build in one day. Like, not even joking. If I had everything ready to go, I would smash it out in a day. So what you guys need to do is, when you work on your car, try to find, I know it's hard, it depends if you're adulting a lot and stuff, it really sucks growing up, trust me, I know. You're just gonna find maybe 2 hours a day to work on your car, and then hopefully by like a couple weeks your car's ready for out cruising, and there you go, you got yourself the best antidepressant there is, hitting boost in a damn JDM car, or wherever car you like. It doesn't matter if it has to be Japanese, Australian, American, Euro, whatever you like. Go out and have fun. Enjoy your life. There's no point of being old and sitting there all miserable like all these old Karens that don't do anything with their life. I don't want to be that old fuck that sits there and think, oh, I wish I did that, but I was just too cautious about life. Go out and enjoy life, man. So after the drift event and now hitting boost in the 33, I actually feel really happy and relaxed again. I love this R33 so much, like I'll protect it with my life. All right, that's enough yip yap from me. I hope you guys really enjoyed the boost clips in the 33. I need to film more in the R33. I feel like we haven't filmed enough content in the 33. We have been doing a lot of S14 stuff because when there's track events, my main focus is to make sure that the S14 is all dialed in, because the last thing you want to do is go to the track and have something happen. Alright dudes, you know the drill. If you're a new viewer, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. Leave a comment down below. I love seeing your supportive comments. Make sure to hit that like button and share this video to your mates. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Catch you guys later.